It's the, ano,
Yan, nag-food opposing na sila. Jin.
okay. This is a 1v1v1. Everyone be ready. Are they fighting?
Don't know yet. Nasa first gate pa lang sila eh.
Clear the guards, clear the guards.
Ay, hiso pala to.
Clear the
Best
guards.
position up
Clear the
front.
guards.
Ready
the
to
guards.
react, please.
Clear the southeast guards,
Yeah,
please.
they're fighting na.
Clear the southeast guards. Clear the southeast guards. Bomb. Be careful front, guys. I need scout southeast. I need scout southeast. Keep telling me. Keep telling me what they're doing. Keep telling me
They're
what
still
they're doing.
fighting.
Bonk, 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 bonk. Keep bonking. Okay. Only those who have clerics defensives can bonk. Everyone else stay. Just chill. Spread, spread, spread. Be careful. Go, you guys. Don't stay front. If you guys don't have any defensives, don't stay front.
User in your channel timed
If you guys don't have any defensives, don't stay front. Okay?
Perma looking.
Yung balista to.
Just chill.
Perma looking step up.
Don't break gate. Don't break gate. Don't break gate. Just keep bonking. Just bonk it and chill. Bonk and chill. What Slave's doing?
Go check.
Care for Shaper.
Keep bonking. Okay, kill the guards here. Kill the guards here. Everyone come. Kill the guards here. Just chill, guys. Go back. Go back. Go back. Go back. Go back.
Sa upper ano sila? Upper ladder.
Come. Kill the guards here. Kill the guards. Clear the guards here. Clear the guards here. Are they fighting dun sa northeast?
Looking na sa inyo. On
Okay,
screen.
go back. Go southwest. Go southwest. Go southwest. Go southwest, boys. Go southwest. Clear the guards. Just clear the guards. Go southwest. Just chill.
Mag-hold.
Just chill. Just chill. Yeah, we're on the stalemate. Just chill. Can you guys like lure the guards here? Papunta nyo nga dito. Try to kill the guards. Try to kill the
Keep
guards.
open yung south na gate ha. So pwede
Oo.
sila mag-wrap around.
That's why I need knockdown. Keep killing the guards. Keep killing the guards. Keep killing the guards.
Pero may nakatingin na bedrock doon. Sa may south.
Yes,
Nakahold lang sila sa gate.
Asan yung slave?
Nakahold sa gate.
Nasa first gate.
Southwest lang. Stay southwest. Stay southwest. Hindi yun itong laughing. 9. Everyone just chill. Just chill. Everyone just chill. Just chill. Just chill.
They're
Inching,
rotating na
inching, inching,
iba.
inching.
Looking sa'yo. Looking sa inyo. Nice. Go back. Go back. Just chill, boys. Just chill. Everyone just chill. Stay back. Stay back.
Teachers are
Guys, huwag
looking
yung
east
pusin
side.
lang. Chill lang kayo. Kill the guard on top me. Kill the guard on top me. Kill the guard on top me.
One screen away ulit.
I just need you guys to watch the front. Watch the front.
Lumalapit ulit ha. Lumalapit.
Yeah, we're on stalemate. We're on stalemate. We're on stalemate. Just chill. Everyone just chill. You guys can bomb over the wall and just chill.
Hindi na tayo tabang over doon.
Sige, sige.
Tayo target ng dalawa.
Yeah, kasi tayo pinakamalaki.
Nagsa-south sila. Okay, babalik sa gate ulit.
Yeah, just keep watching them. Keep watching them.
Hold
Yung
lang.
mga may keep sa basa.
Okay, just watch. Just watch.
Ayun,
Holding
naging
up.
sila sa laughing.
Dami siya nasa southwest.
Yeah, just one flank tap. Everyone just chill. We're gonna push one side here.
User in
You guys
your
can hit
channel
that. You guys can
timed
hit that. You guys can keep hitting that.
One screen away.
You guys can keep hitting this mortar.
Looking. LB. Here.
It's fine. I have cleric.
Lebot engage.
Just keep. You guys can kill that. Just chill. Just chill. Everyone just chill. Pag nag-push kasi tayo one side, mga 2v1 na. Chill lang kayo.
Mag-hold lang yung ALB na, no? Hindi lalabas yan.
So, chill lang kayo.
Oo, wala na yung... Care set. May... May dalawang bombs yung LB isang Shaper Solo, isang Siege Bow na may
Hihilaan kayo,
wailing.
hihilaan kayo.
Just chill, boys. Just chill. Just kill this. Kill this. Focus on killing this. Focus on killing this. Drop your EC. Just drop your EC on the mortar. Just drop your EC on the mortar. Everyone just chill. We're gonna full push in a bit. I'm just waiting. I'm just waiting.
Nag-engage sila sa LB.
Yeah, I'm just waiting. Just kill that mortar.
Sapa ng isang healer mo, oh. Nasa unahan.
Sabihin nyo kapag nag-engage yung LV. Gonna full, mag-northwest side tayo dito.
Nasa Lord Room sila.
Everyone just chill. Okay. Okay, just chill. Everyone hold. Come southwest more. Southwest more, come
Malapit
southwest more, go southwest more, go southwest more. Huwag kayo magpa-pull. We're gonna full push in a bit pag nag-engage yan sila. Come southwest more.
May Heron Bomb yung ano. King.
Just chill. They're looking at you dun sa mga nasa southeast guys. Please don't get hit. Please don't get hit. Everyone just chill.
Rotating south. Keep
Ayan, engaging.
No. Be ready to defend front.
Southwest, keep southwest.
Defensive front, defensive.
Keep left sa south natin.
Come south, full push the southeast, full push southeast. Full push the southeast,
South,
okay?
hold,
Hold your north. Hold your north,
Oh,
hold your north.
ako
Everyone
north,
hold north, and full push this guys, full push this side.
Done.
Full push lang southeast, give back.
Ready, second rotation.
Full push lang
Ready,
southeast,
second
full push
rotation.
southeast, boys,
Second
full push
rotation,
southeast. Full push southeast. Ay, bro, go back.
Dropping demons
Man! Ang bagal nyo. Go back. Ang tanga naman na itong mga... Go back and chill. Just hold this.
First rotation,
Pag-hit na
ready,
yung ano.
full reset.
LB.
Everyone just chill. Chill. Be careful, man. We need to full push laughing, not them. Defense. Defensive. Heal front. Nice. No one died. Just get heals. Come southwest more. Let them fight first, bro. Let them fight.
Alright.
Can you guys don't kasi pupunta kayo sa engage range nila, come southwest. Don't be on their engage range, bro.
Sumali ko naman sa LB. I killed like 5 man. I killed like 5 sa LB.
Okay.
Dalawa kayo LB.
Okay, come southeast. Full push this. Everyone, come.
Pwede mo push na kayo po.
Yeah,
Palabas mo na sa...
Try to walk in. Ready defensive, ha? Baka. LB might hit you.
Holding yung LB.
I know, but they can still hit you. Come northwest.
Nag-engage.
Nag-engage na yung nag-engage na sila kay Alex.
Tol.
No, they're holding the game.
They're holding, bro. Come southwest. Guys, nasa sandwich talaga tayo. Come southwest. Just regroup with me. Regroup with me, please. We're getting sandwich for no reason. You guys died here for no reason.
Care over the wall.
Again, guys, don't be on engage range. Please don't be on engage range, okay? Just chill.
They could engage in perma, be careful.
Spread. Huwag kayo pumasok. Where's the other zone?
Sa gate pa rin.
Keep bombing them, Han.
Yeah, but I can't bomb if wala kayo sa range.
Oh, yeah.
Nasa south.
Yeah, I can see them. Come southwest. Everyone come southwest. Don't get bombed by laughing. Ready? Guys?
Ready
Can
First
you guys let,
rotation, you guys should be ready.
come. What are they doing?
Ngayon pa rin. Atras sa bahante.
Kaya nga kasi kung sino mag-una ma-engage yan, yun yung talo. Kaya chill lang kayo. Full brawl tayo
Mag-go over the wall.
Okay, be ready. Be ready over the wall,
You're looking na. Mag-engage ako after nila mag-engage.
Nag-walk in yung LB collar.
Just shit. Going na dito yung Guys, spread, come southwest. Yung hodge nila, naglulook na sa inyo, guys. Don't get hit. Don't get engaged on. If you don't have defensives, don't get hit. Ang hirap naman na ito.
Might push sa south mo, ha?
Sige lang. I'm gonna push LB. Soon.
Sige.
I'm gonna push LB soon. Ready? Just
LB, so north, no?
north. We're gonna push northwest side. Pagka go back a bit.
Just engage,
Go back a bit.
Engage sila sa LB.
Okay. Ready?
LB no engage,
Yeah, everyone walk in. Come LB. Push in to LB, boys.
First rotation
Come northwest to
ready.
Lord Room.
First rotation ready.
Flood the Lord Room, northwest side. Flood the Lord Room, northwest side. Northwest side, bro. Northwest side. Take over the Lord Room, northwest side. Northwest side, northwest side,
Ready,
northwest side, boys, northwest side.
north.
Take over the Lord Room, northwest side, and roll.
They just engage.
Guys, ready defenses. Just brawl, just brawl, just brawl. Ready big
First
pass. Just
rotation
take
up
over
now,
the Lord Room.
please.
Take over the Lord Room now. Nice. Now you got the
Using.
Lord Room. Kill the guards. Everyone kill the Southwest guards.
Lilipan sila sa Jow.
Yeah,
At the
yeah, yeah.
gates, be
Kill the
ready.
Southwest guards, bro. Kill the Southwest guards. Huwag kayo lumabas. Don't go out. Chill. Just take over the Lord Room.
Boogeyman, careful.
Nag-engage sila.
Two
Yung
deep,
Jin.
Killord. Help Honey. Ready, help Honey, ah. Just killord.
Looking northeast, be ready. Step up.
Ready first rotation.
Pwede natin sila labasan. Just wait. Killord.
Holding stairs yung Jin.
Flip.
Northeast, their basi.
Base oh. Naliligaw yung base.
Just flip first. One guy flip. Come southeast. Everyone else, come southeast. One guy flip, come southeast. Come southeast now. One guy flip, come southeast.
The brawling
One of
around.
keepers
Yeah, come southeast. Ready.
Looking
This is our
LB.
castle now. Come southeast. Walk down. Full push, boys. Full push. Ready, full push, boys. Full push. It's our castle. Full push, boys. Northwest. Sa stairs. Push the stairs. Brawl the ones, brawl
First
everything
demon
here,
now,
brawl
please,
everything
first
inside,
demon.
brawl everything on stairs.
I'm using.
Bro, ready defenses. Just brawl. Just brawl
Three,
everything, boys. Just brawl
second.
everything.
second now.
Brawl everything, bro. Brawl everything. Just chase and roll. Gig pads, boys, ready, gig pads.
Ready.
Roll, southwest.
If you have any extra
Bro,
demons, be ready,
southwest. Brawl nyo lahat.
Three,
Kill everything
two,
inside of
one,
us.
drop now again, please.
See? Kill everything inside of us.
5 seconds first rotation.
Bro, just brawl the gate. Kill them all, then go out. Kill them all, click out, boys. Click out, chase. Chase, boys, chase! Get out,
Looking Sage,
Northwest!
looking Sage.
They're broken, bro. Kill everything, Northwest, bro. Kill. Ito,
Steven,
Gio,
looking.
7-3.
They're southwest.
Kill that.
I'm on southwest.
Kill that, get kills. Kill that, boys, yung. Then chase everyone else. Come south.
Daming armahan sa akin dito.
Listen to the fucking calls.
They're gonna look at this.
Southwest. Guys, ready, come southwest.
They
Face
can
southwest.
engage, she died.
Regroup, boys. Everyone regroup with me, chill. Regroup, come back, regroup muna. Guys, come back, regroup castle. Don't throw this, enemy has engaged. Go back, walk back.
Guys, come.
Puta, ang tagal nyo walk back, bro. I'm gonna get engaged on because of you. If I die, it's you, on you guys. Walk back castle, boys, Everyone chill. Just run to castle first, run to castle. Let them go.
Mga is here na.
Yeah, come back. Everyone come back.
Southwest.
Regrouping castle. Come north, boys. Everyone come north. Let slaves do their thing. Come southwest.
Leaves mounted up.
Sobrang... Yeah, chill. Everyone just chill. Where's Maha? What's Maha doing?
Southwest na.
Mga southwest. Ang daping.
Di, pre, kasi nag-chase kami sa labas, pre. Huwag kayo mag-overextend.
Bonking.
What's Maha doing?
Level 20.
Bonking southeast.
Sino? Mugi, okay.
Level 20 Maha.
Just hold here. Let them in. Come back. Huwag kayo magpa-engage. Sige, Honey, go. Hold kita. Support kita. Nice. Go back, Honey. Go back. Everyone go back, boys. Go back. Let them in. We're full brawl. We're not gonna... Yeah, just let them walk in. We're gonna bomb them. Guys, some of my brawlers can position southwest. We're just gonna brawl. Ilan ni Maha?
20.
Okay, just fine. It's fine. Let them in. Spread, guys. Some of my brawlers, use your brain. You guys can use all directions. Some of my brawlers. Ready. Just go back and chill. Everyone just chill.
Wala ko nakikitang
Spread
bomb.
lang kayo. Sige lang. They are clap, boys. They are clap. Enemy is clap. Don't give them engages front. Okay, don't give them engages in front. Okay, chill. Spread lang kayo. You guys can bomb hit over the wall. Okay?
Hit ako southwest labas.
Ingat ka dyan. Guys, be
Sige.
ready ah. Some people go southwest gate, some people go northeast gate. We're just gonna full brawl. Okay?
60%.
Honey, wala nakatingin. Sige, pwede.
40%.
Be careful, be careful. Yeah,
Looking,
yeah, yeah, just let them be. I have cleric, I have
Presentation
cleric,
direct.
I have cleric. If I die, I'm stupid, okay?
Ready.
They're
Nakatingin
looking at
siya.
you. Some of my brawlers go to the gate. Go toward the gate, guys. Some of my brawlers go toward the gate. Nakatingin na sa'yo, Hania. Guys, some of my brawlers can hit them at the back, guys. Can some of the brawlers hit? Can some of the brawlers hit? Can some of the brawlers, guys? Guys, ready, come. Walk in and brawl, walk in and brawl. Boys, walk in and brawl them, brawl them, brawl them. They're fucking bad, bro. Just brawl, just brawl, just brawl, just brawl. Just brawl, just brawl,
Looking,
just brawl.
presentation,
Ready?
be ready.
Gig
Presentation
sa
now.
ready gig pat sa gauge. Ready gig pat sa engage. Ready gig pat sa engage. Ready gig pat sa engage. Just walk brawl.
Ready, second
Ready gig pat
rotation.
sa spread. Go southwest yung iba. Don't stuck
Hindi na ba?
on the gate. Don't stuck on the gate. And brawl. Just brawl. Ever just brawl. Just brawl.
Ready,
Don't stuck. Just keep rolling. They're bad as fuck, bro.
Southeast.
Just keep rolling.
Nasa likod nila sina teachers, ah.
Yeah, keep rolling them. They're bad. They're super bad, bro. Just brawl.
Ready first rotation.
Drop skills on the
looking at
middle,
the
boys. Drop skills.
Looking
Keep
at the
dropping skills. Keep dropping skills. Hold them. Dito sa southeast side. On the crown, boys. On the crown. Drop everything on the crown, boys. Just keep rolling. If you're bad, you guys can go gate. If you're bad.
Yung
You guys
healers
can go
na sa
gate if you're
taas.
bad. Okay, go gates.
Watch
If you're
out,
bad.
watch
Go
out,
gates if you're
watch
bad. Come back. Come gate. We brawl inside. Come. Spread, boys. Spread.
Lost that.
Healthy? Are we healthy? How many we lose?
They're initiating from southeast gate.
Yeah.
Marlica is locked.
Keep buying time.
Yeah, I'm buying time. Just brawl, guys. Ready lang.
They have engaged.
Ready lang kayo. Help Honey. Ready to help Honey.
Southwest.
Ready to help Honey. Go back, boys. Go back. Keep pats, boys! Man! Just hold it.
Nangangat yung likod nila. Ayun
Yeah.
natin.
Guys, walk in. Walk in. They're low as fuck. Just brawl in, boys. They're low as fuck. Just drop your east. Keep dropping your east, boys. Boys, they're broken. They're not really broken, but yeah, they're really bad. Ready defense, ready gig pats inside.
first
Okay,
rotation.
spread more, boys. Spread more. They're bad as fuck. Just brawl. They're bad. They're super bad, bro. Just brawl. Come. Walk in. Kill them all. Ready defense, ready gig pats.
I'm missing
Ready,
first.
they matter, na. Keep going southwest. Keep going southwest.
Scared,
Keep going southwest, bro. Keep going. They're bad. They're all white. They're right. Come southeast. Chase, loot up. They're right, bro. They're right. Kill them all. Kill what you want.
Healthy
Go
pa
back.
rin yung Jin,
Slaves
ah.
leader in front of you.
Keep up.
Slaves leader in front of you. Go back. Boys, go back. Stop chasing. Give bats. Help me, boys. Help me, front.
Guys, come back.
I use
Come
my
back,
first.
bro.
I use
Come
my
back.
It's fine. Come back fast.
Come back, castle.
Loot up. May mga 10 mil worth now. Look there.
On screen away.
Boys, loot up. Everyone, go back. Be careful, ah. Be careful, front. They're looking. Defense. Nice. Go back. Just go back. Good shit. No one died. Loot it. Loot if you want, guys. Just go back. Go back, boys. Go back. Go back. Go back, boys. Go back first gate. Go back sa end gate. Open the... Everyone go back final gate. Open chest.